Hello everyone, this is Tree, and today I will show you guys another classics paper airplane, the classics Delta. This paper airplane is the modified version of the Aero, so I hope you guys will enjoy making it. Let's start now. To make the classics Delta, you need a printing paper. You can use either US letter size or A4 paper. First step, fold the paper in half. Unfold the paper. Now I can start from the top here, fold to the center crease. And I repeat the same step for the other side. Okay. At this point, I will start from the top here, and I estimate about half an inch. I just draw it down. Use the center crease as a reference. Now, I start from this edge and forward to the center crease. And I repeat the same step for the other side. Okay. And I want to make sure that both sides are symmetrical. So I will very carefully fold this side. And I can fold the paper in half for now. Next step, fix it just a little bit to make sure that things are even. That's very well. Now I can start from this edge, fold down to this edge. Just fold straight out to that edge. And I repeat the same step for the other side. Turn the paper this way, flip it over, and create the wings. And now you can create a stabilizer by estimating about half an inch along this edge and just fold it up like this. Just half an inch, no more, okay? The max is half an inch, the less can be less than that, like quarter of an inch. Of an inch is fine. Half an inch. And now you can unfold the wings. Unfold the stabilizer. And here you go. This is the classics Delta. You can hold the wings, the planes right here, where you can twist pretty hard at the center of the Delta. And you can do it up at 30 to 40 degrees. Here you go. This is the classics Delta. And if it's fly well for you, like the video, share it with your friends, and subscribe my channel if you have not done so. Finally, thank you for watching. See you next time.